Good morning, Mayo High School. This is Officer Kelly, your school liaison. I'm inviting you to join us in the second annual Seatbelt Challenge, which will be held at door 6 on May 12th. The challenge will be between the hours of 10:30 lunch and 1:30, so all 3 lunches. So you start the challenge by sitting in all 4 seats, seat belted. We blow the whistle, you unseat belt, you go to the next seat, so a clockwise position. So the driver's seat, driver's goes to the passenger side of the car. After you're all completed, you end up in the same place where you began. We blow the whistle, everybody's seat belted, and that's the time that we put in. The time last year was 30 some odd seconds, and Mayo High School missed it by a couple of tenths, if I recall. The teams that are going to be in the challenge consist of Byron High School, Stewartville, John Marshall, Century, and Phoenix Academy, ALC. So prizes for the first place team at Rochester Mayo will be t-shirts, water bottles, and you get an opportunity to compete against every other school in the city that has won their school championship. So in that round, we'll be up at Century High School. They're hosting it this year because they won last year and they have the traveling trophy. Some of the prizes up there will be $25 gift cards from Shields, $15 iTunes cards, and we're trying to get a pizza party together for all the competitors. So we would like to get that back from Century High School, so Mayo students sign up, do the challenge, and let's bring that trophy back to Mayo.
And then when I say go,
ready? Dab in the back.
Set, go!
Oh,
Nice. Oh my gosh! Go!
how many times did they do it? 4.
Oh! I didn't get that thing.
Go! No!
Oh!
Go anyway! Go anyway! Come on, let's go! Dang! Hands up!
Lost you!